Hey! Hey! Trap! Udenda, I'm dying, Udenda! Hey! Agwame! Hey! Udenda, where are you? Release my leg! Trap! Hey! Yes. I have been looking for you over the yes, come with me.
Thank you, Father.
Okay. You can go.
Oh boy, hey! Do you think you are the only one privileged in this seminary? Eh?
Or do you think that you are the only sharp brain here?
I won't sleep for you. Try that another day. Try it another day.
Hey!
Stop.
Do this to those who will not agree. Who will not agree? Who will not agree?
Ndubeze,
Yes, Father.
I am very proud of you. I am very proud of you. Our prestigious seminary is very proud of you. You have been enlisted among those that will study at Bigat Memorial School, Enugu.
Dikeh Memorial Enugu?
Yes, I know you are very intelligent. And intelligent boy like you deserve such school. Do you understand? So, tomorrow, see me in the office. I'll give you your promotional letter. Okay?
In every sorrowful environment, God has, again, a plan.
Oremus, per Christum Dominum nostrum. Amen. Dominus vobiscum, et cum spiritu tuo. Benedicat vos omnipotens Deus, Pater et Filius et Spiritus Sanctus. Amen. Ite missa est. Deo gratias. Ite missa est. Alleluia. Alleluia. Deo gratias. Alleluia. Alleluia.
Dog. Abake pasa. I need some money. I need some money. To use money for some things. I see they be now because they are dead now.
I don't have money.
You don't what?
Because I asked you first, right? No, so Omero, leave me, Omero. Look, you tell me. You're breaking my hands.
You better tell me where this money is. I'll put hand somewhere.
I don't have.
Tell me where this money is.
I don't have money. I think I'm joking with you. Oh, look, Omero. Listen, Omero. Listen.
I thought you said you don't have money. You wicked man.
Look, that money is meant for the deity.
Forget that thing. The deity, guy, man. He knows that your son needs this money more than he does. So that put rubbish here that I could date squad deity. I said, let me use this money, package myself, and where I go drink better pami. It's way too okay for me.
Come. Omero, come back. Omero, come back. Bring back that money. Bring back that money. Omero. What kind of son is this? Huh? What kind of useless son is this? As old as he is, he can't go and work for money by himself.
Are you sure? Oh my God. Hey, Jesus. Which type of hey, that big one. With the big spread, and I'll be snapping.
So, Nkechi, this is what you now do in the bush?
Hey! Is it your business? How does it concern you? What's this old fool doing here? Is this how all these old men in this village behave? Nonsense. Please, let's go elsewhere.
Somewhere else?
Obasage! Won't you mind your business in this village? Won't you mind your business?
May the gods of our land forgive you.
And also forgive you too.
I am sick and tired of these children. Especially that boy, that useless boy called Omero. In fact, I want to sell him off to slave.
Hey, Mbano, it hasn't come to that.
Sunday I can't reach Diora, that slave merchant at Umuoji.
Akwemebe, it has not come to that. It is their time.
How can you say such a thing? How can you say such a thing is their time? What about Ubuagu's children? What about them? Ndubueze is now an ordained priest. Huh? Imagine. Hey, what have I done to myself?
Akwemebe, calm down. Calm down. Very soon, they will understand. I'm a soldier now. Eh? Oh, children of nowadays. Children of nowadays. These children. Eh?
So I should take it easy until he comes to kill me if he doesn't see money in my pocket. I even wonder what he does with all that money.
Oh. Children of nowadays. Children of these days.
Who do you call children? Is he not old enough to be a grandfather? Eh?
Akwemebe, calm down, calm down.
I must go to Umuoji.
Calm down. Balu gujieji. Ohunata na chawodo ya. Eh? Chinwayo, wetu obi. Eh? Kegari may be here. Do. Can you snuff? Just small. Hi.
Like tomorrow, one day, become a slave boy. Slave boy. Now, I thought you were here to smoke and reason. Why you can't talk rubbish? I be not be your normal gauge, they smoke again.
One day, my normal gauge, but
you are going to now.
Oh, but I heard my father and your father discussing that by tomorrow you go in search of the slave merchants. You be sold off.
Nigga, pause first. This thing now is serious issue. He say you see my own papa. They tell your papa what. Say you want to sell me.
Yeah, you let Pogi Kafia.
Nah, only from Malaga. Wow. So, nigga, wait. My father wants to sell me. What if him? What's the lesson on the altar?
Jacob.
Only Fiko.
Mama and Jacob.
Okay. No wahala now. Let me go and have a dialogue with him.
With your father?
More got you less in the altar. More born your altar. Got you less in the altar.
Mama.
If you go no board the gun. Come there. Are they come? Not like that today. Bono.
Guy, come now. Where are you heading?
Guy, what's up now? Don't provoke me.
Just this little.
Slave boy. I got one me in the by lesson on the altar. I could see. Wow.
Chika, what is it? What is the problem? What is it now? You're not alright. Madame Dubeze is back. Madame Dubeze. Is it Dubeze Akam? The son of a late man, Uwaezuoke. Oh my God. Yes, he's back. And he's giving a lot of gifts to the villagers. Your mother said I should come and find you. I should come and fetch you out anywhere you are. So let's go. Let's go. Eh? Are you leaving us? Leave it!
Omero, you, the son that I fathered, wants to flog me. You've tied me on the bench to flog me, eh? Omero.
I'm asking you for the last time.
Hey.
If you don't answer me, I will tie you here till December. Do I look like someone you can sell and use the money to reenact your foolish charms?
Answer him. Flog him, flog him. Flog him.
Now, let me subtitle it. Eyilingoni gele, where will you be? Your useless charms.
Hey. Flog him. Flog him. Flog him. Chineke. It's not for that like this. Eh? You You want to kill him?
I will tie you on top of Papa. Don't put hand there again.
You want to kill your father? Eh? Do you know that
Mama, leave him alone now. Leave him.
You're here watching him.
I'm watching.
He's your husband.
Yes, it's my
but
husband.
You were there when he's using the useless money to be doing shams.
You know what? Give me this guy. And you want to kill my husband for me? I got him here.
I have spare.
Yes, this is what I think. It's shame.
I look like someone. Mama.
Yes, sir. We have shared a lot, but we still have some.
Yeah. Two people are coming on that.
I believe you can continue. Okay, right?
It's okay. Dalo, you give me father better.
Greet your husband for me.
Okay. Oh yeah, this one is a widow. A widow. His wife. Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can take one. Take one. Thank you very much.
Action!
Thank you. Bye-bye, my dear.
It's good.
Well done.
How are you? Do you see your...
How are you?
Thank you.
Let's give the other one yam. No, take only rice.
Just go with bye-bye.
Give this one yam. Give yam. Well done.
Later you come back for the rice. Okay.
When there's
we
that.
have plenty here.
Yo! Nkirikiri ka na-ekiri ọdịdị anụ ozu. Okirikiri ka na-abụ kwesara adịghị enu. Anụmanụ. No one is after you. You offended a man in the past. And the repercussion is what is hurting your children.
Who can that person be? Please tell me. I want to make amends.
If I am met at a very siaburu, Abaranka hosting when I bury on. Obuago, you took his land and sent him to his early grave.
But that was many years ago.
Akwenwebe, his spirit is not at rest. Yes.
So, what do I do now?
Yo! Iyo metara were isi ya buru. Maka ọbịa ọkpara nkụ ahụ si ngwere bịara ya ọnụ. Akwenwebe, I am Miriama. I hurt no one. Akwenwebe, go and plead for your forgiveness. You know did cannot do. You are a metal where is ya buru.
Things have not been easy, Father. After my tertiary education, I wasn't able to secure a good job. It has been really difficult.
So, how do you cope?
Well, the Lord has been helping me.
Well, Ifedi.
Yes, Father.
I came to offer you a job.
Our good Lord has instructed me to help the helpless and give hope to the hopeless. I've just set up a school for the disabled, and I will want you to run it.
Thank you so much. I promise to do my best, Father. Thank you. Thank you, Father.
Father. This man here, his name is Ojemba, and this is the brother.
Yes.
They came to my house and told me a story that my heart could not contain. I said, no. I will have to take you to the horse's house. I don't understand what you are saying. That is why I brought him here. But Jemba, if you know that thing you told me in my house, tell the people.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Denta. Father, forgive me. Denta, forgive me. Oh? Governor, forgive me. Huh? This is my brother. Yes. Nduba. The spirit of your late father, Uwaezuoke, is after me. Since then, my spirit and my heart are not at rest. Akwemwebe contracted me to shoot Uwaezuoke at the leg.
What? You are still sitting here? Sit down. Sit down. Will you sit down? I'll be giving kick from my heart. Sit down.
Tovenda.
Will you sit down?
It's okay. Allow him.
If you were me that had it first, you wouldn't have brought them here.
Take them.
I don't know. Be very, very careful. Hear him out. He has not finished.
I'm just
expecting you.
Go ahead. Continue.
So, Galani.
So, I mistakenly shot him at the heart.
I beg, please.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Keep quiet.
I don't know what to say anymore. I don't know what to say anymore. Well, I wish our mother is here to hear this also.
Where did he even say she went?
She traveled to Onitsha with our elder brother.
Akachi. Adam Nakaman to her.
You mean you did all this to this family?
Yes, Father. Yes, Father.
And you are here?
Please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Please forgive me.
Tovenda. We have to forgive him.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you.
Father.
Thank you, Father.
Father, are you saying that this man will walk out from this power alive?
For to err is human, and to forgive is divine.
Thank you, Father.
Father, thank you.
Our good Lord knows our excesses and shortcomings. He knows our weak points, our weaknesses and strength. Even Naya Kwemwebe will also be forgiven. Nanya is not so.
I remember what I passed through to ensure that I unearthed this particular thing. To find out who killed the man, who killed Uwaezuoke. My friend.
We appreciate it.
Now you did that. Now you did that.
This question is...
The only man that wanted to go with me America, we were on the road. And they tracked us. And the truck caught it.
He went too far. But all to the glory of God now. No matter what the devil tries or does to separate us as one family, he will fail. Because we are still one family. We forgive him also wherever he is. Let us pray right now.
Father, your mind is not in what you are saying. I was only carrying to them now because I wanted to hear this man out. But I remember all my past. How your mother was going from one woman's farm to the other to farm, and how she was begging food to feed you. Father!
Udenta, let us forgive. Please. In nomine Patri et Filii Spiritus Sanctus, say amen. Amen.
Akachi, you have to go to your uncle's place, Akwenwebe. Go and tell him that I am very sick. Biko.
Mama, you know Uncle Aku will not listen to us. He hates us so much.
I know, Akachi. Akachi, I know. Just go and tell him, Inugumam. Biko.
Okay.
Biko.
I'm going to try.
Please.
I'll try. Uncle, my mother needed money for her health.
For her health?
Yeah.
Do I look like a hospital? Or bank? Or am I a money keeper?
Uncle, my mother is dying. That's why I came in search of you. She needs money now. Somebody needs to take care of her.
I'm not a charity home now, Zuzupo.
Okay, it's not fair. God is watching. Somebody should do something.
Zuzupo, Akita. Zuzupo, Zuzupo. Boy, my money, my mother is dying.
Ogini, kemgbe nke a bidozi? Sorry. Why you would have sent for me? You would have sent for me. Oh, where are these children?
Akachi has gone to tell his uncle.
Going back again? Bine. Get up. Please, just get up. Get up.
Why? Just yesterday, we went on it. And this man came here and told you he killed our father, your own father. And you are here telling me this nonsense. Why, Mama, why? Is it you? No, brother, this is exactly what I wanted to do yesterday. They just stopped me. You stopped me. Mama, no, not tell me. Mama, you know what we went through. Mama, you saw how we suffered. I would have killed you, brother. You put on your best aimlessly to see that we survive.
My brother.
I know that this man have wrong. He is a father. What the father has seen?
My brothers, calm down. Calm down. Our good Lord has his way of doing things. Alright? We have to preserve peace.
Wait, you mean this man came here and told you all this?
Yes.
And all you could do as my son is to forgive someone that killed my husband and pulled us all through this suffering.
Mama, I am even happy you
forgave him.
I did. This is the power bestowed upon me as a priest, and I have to.
I am the first son of this house. Listen to me, Father. I am the first son of this house. Yes, I will respect you. Mama trained us very well, and we cannot fight. But see, Mama.
All things have passed away.
I wish I'm here. I would have strangled him.
Then I feel very alright that you were not there.
The best he met her up one yesterday. Just we went on it. He met her up with Abaga. Oh, he also smarter than Olana Nafan and one among some. Nafan and one among some. Don't touch me.
Marrying white doesn't mean that you forgive anyone anyhow. How could you have just forgive him like that?
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Please,
it's not okay. He met her here at all.
It's alright. I can't
First, you don't get this one. No, you don't get this one.
At all.
Jesus suffered upon the cross of Calvary for our sake.
Al Israel, not an Igbo.
So please, let us not impose much other pains on ourselves. He has done that for us. Let us have peace of mind. Alright? Let's come together as one family and have this peace, please. We deserve it.
How could your uncle do this?
It's at the past. And all things have passed away.
When the pastor will work by your present, how can you live now?
Mama, it's okay.
People say, what was it past?
It's alright. It has gone. Let's just be happy. The devil can't just come now to take our joy away. Alright? The things have changed, so let's be happy for that, please. Forget Uncle, forget him.
Gallery, how much in a Merendia? Gallery, how much in a Merendia? Dim gallery, how much in a Merendia? Emanaboro, mother, can't you see? Eh? On a judge going in with it is the now, Reverend Father. He gave us all these things. He even gave your father money for his treatment.
He gave you money for your treatment.
Well, you see, in life, one must not look down on everybody.
Bam!
In fact, one should not look down on anybody.
And I forget it. Where is he getting all the money from? Eh? This is church money. If I end up go Butelone here, you are here dancing. Eh? Who doesn't know?
Maza dance. Maza dance. You get mole. Na fugo ni enu.
Who is that?
Nine, I'm the one.
What is it?
I don't know what has happened to my husband, though. Nine.
What's troubling you?
Nine, my husband has been sleeping this morning. He refused to wake up.
Sleeping, he refused to wake up.
He refused to wake up, Nine. This morning.
Okay, take it easy. Come on. Take it easy. Oh yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go.
kwanu nagi di mana? Chimo, onye ya gbachitere anyị onye ya ekwula anyị ọnụ anyị. Onye ya ekwula anyị ọnụ anyị. Who is before us? Oh, Chimo, di mana? Oyirinaya, Nagana, Dikana. Ujaga mama wakuko mike. Chimo.
Father.
All is well.
It's not well, all is not well at all.
You should have sent for me instead of coming all the way to Enugu.
Alome, your uncle has slept on. Alome.
He slept and never woke up.
May our good Lord be praised.
Amen. Amen.
Mama, let's quickly go inside the parish house.
Thank you.
You need some rest.
Need some rest.
Let's walk towards this.
Okay. You're welcome.
I thank God for successful burial. Now, our Father has gone to join the Lord. I urge all of us to come in oneness as one family. Nanya Kwenwebe was a good man, but he misunderstood the principles of life. But I thank God for his forgiveness upon him, even before he passed on.
Ndubeze, indeed, you have been called by the Lord to save the people of Oka. Please, young one, always remember me in your prayers. I'm weak.
Don't worry, Mama.
It's okay.
I always remember you in my prayers. Not just for you alone, but for the whole family. The people of Oka, the whole nation, and the world at large. Omerua, you have to look for something doing so you can take care of your sister Nkechi and also your mother. Mama?
Mom?
If Nkechi comes back, tell her to come and meet me. We are planning on something, so let's talk more about that.
I will.
And you come to the house and see me. I have something for you.
Father,
I hear you.
Father, thank you so much. You did very well. And you, go and meet him like he said. Whatever he gives to you, try and make very good use of it so that it will be useful to you and your sister and your mother, of course.
Uncle, but I heard him clearly now. Must you repeat it before?
I want to hammer it into your head.
Okay, we'll keep hammering.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, Nai.
Who does he think he is? Eh? God? Ndubeze of yesterday. Now go about parading himself as the savior of our family. Wow. I think I know what to do. I know what to do. No problems.
My lord, it's a great privilege to be counted as a priest under your scheme. In there are information regarding the new order I found. My lord, this is a masterpiece and a brainchild worthy to be endorsed. I present to this council a proposal for the endorsement of Voice of the Poor Foundation, an order that will be responsible for the well-being of the downtrodden, the sick, homeless and helpless, the old and retired Catholic priest. My lord, if this order is approved, it will control, elevate problems which our diocese are having, most especially our dear diocese. My lord, our international partners have promised to sponsor this, but with the approval of my bishop. My lord, for this I have come.
From the bishop, he's going to definitely mask us, and he's going to gain more ground. This is the heart of it. We must ask very fast before the bishop gives this approval. We must. Even here in the parish, every parishioner loves him. In the diocese, the same thing. About 60% of the priests likes him. How are we going to counter this exploit? Do not worry, Father Dominic. You have forgotten that the bishop is my uncle. I know what to do. But there is still a problem. What could that be? What if he goes to Aja? If you can remember, there is a clause in the pastor's demand that he must get an endorsement from a bishop. And that could be his next option.
Who does he think he is? Eh? When I'm through with him in this village, he will wish he shouldn't have been a priest. What they could loan that one man on the woo.
Priest my fruit. Is it not in the best we know?
Do you know the worst thing? This guy Torodan know him in front of my father.
Tell me that I'm doing nothing in the village. I'm busy going around in the village. No one even name me.
That one is true.
If I should find something doing, let my father give me money. Oh, they give my father money.
Insult. He said that thing to you.
If you come call this guy for my. No, I man. Let me just talk about that guy. What about that guy, man?
But we all know that he's a priest.
And I prefer priest that because.
What are we going to do? You know, priests are clean. What are we going to do so that the village will not come after us?
You can pay a good check. Yes, complete.
Holy Mary. Father, you mean the bishop denied you this fantastic proposal?
I am more surprised than you are. The fact is that I don't even know his reasons. I don't know.
Father, I think there's somebody working underground. Who could be doing this?
You would cease to amuse me, Freddy. You see, we are all ordained priests to the service of God. Nobody is conspiring against me if that's what you feel. I have kept everything in the hands of God, who knows my intention. And I believe He will see me through. Don't worry.
Oh, Father, what are you going to do now? What is your next line of action?
I will leave for Onitsha tomorrow.
Okay.
I wish to see the Bishop of Onitsha to see if he will see reasons with me.
That's a nice idea. That's a good idea. Oh.
Don't worry. It's well.
Honestly speaking, this is unlike the bishop. This is unlike him. Hey!
Don't worry, Mama. I just want to let you know that I'll be leaving for Onitsha tomorrow.
I wish I could endorse these documents. There will not be need for all these procedures. Yes, now.
Father, this will not happen. We have tolerated him enough. I heard he's even taking his campaign to the Bishop of Onitsha Diocese. What? We will not let him.
Ndubeze, does he think he's the only priest in this diocese?
I don't know. I think I have to act very fast. Listen.
People of God, go down. How are you going to get that?
But we check for Sylvia. I'm one of them defending. Oh, no. I'm you know, oh God, you're not bullshit. If you can learn. Anyway, guy, for good case.
Is it not Omero? Is this? Omero, how are you?
What's going on with KJ? How are you?
Since we buried your father, none of you Odipu onye bịara jụọ m maka eke mere.
Ọ bụ na okeke mere ka ị chọrọ ngwa keke mere. Kwesịrị m ife a na-alụ n'obodo a efe adụrọ m na-ebịa na-ajụ keke mere. Na-aga libe mmadụ na-asị keke mere.
Okay, no problem. Omerwa, I want to see you this evening. Na bịa na ben na mgbede a. O nwere ozi nna gị ziri m sị m zie gị. Let me use this opportunity. Can you hear? Okay, can you taba 50? Can you taba 50? Can you taba 50?
This is strange. You mean an attack?
My lord, some people are after my life.
This is really a miracle. Right. At this point, we must have to involve the police. Am I well understood?
Yes, my lord.
can see that you are still a boy.
Kezi Edo couldn't think. Eh? So if I see my house, better back a warm now. Can't keep it mamas. Do I look like a kid? All this my beers.
Can't you bend down and hear from me? And I broke again at that way. He no jina bombo careful. I want booking. I'm not going to Urapa.
That's an esomafo. I know my phone. Am I going to this village? Esomafo now. Yeah, he's soon enough. Mwa, ni soon kwana fear up that.
Omera, you never see something. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Nagel rogu Dikeh. Piasa, piaka, paradiko dogu. Jen dinimie. Piaka. And I want you to start where he stopped.
Where he stopped? Because you're going
Don't you see it? When you know the rich, Utientiora. When no man is so name is here. It's okay, you moto Kenya. In our hour, the Kenya. And I want you to get knowledge, full knowledge, 100% knowledge. Mama, your brother. Thank you very much. Thank God you mentioned the name. Yeah, each look at this boy, they remove too. Now, Piazza, now what's he what to do? Then you fold your hand like this. It's because Yaka, Chiaka, and Gada. Une takes everything on his control. Never is going to you could name it. It's also a bad for Yaka, and you will do so.
What if a mother I got follow? Checkers no domaker. In the same mania. See my house, Blaggy didn't know Berueba, or Boma Candu Beze. Und Bezo Kunya. The Beze Bono Finkupono. I've been taking care of Fundubeze since his young age. Obuzie kita. Che? Omaka aqua white honey, no father call. Na obro makando beze rap that and mom can say so mwefa. Only thing where you and again.
Omero, let me analyze this my statement.
Analyze it.
Thank you very much. Listen. Emanando beza kararu degu. Emanonya asiru ni tekaka. He belongs somewhere. Anybody asking name Megi or Den, Karaka, they belong somewhere, every of them. Let me tell you, anybody money suit, money white, money Sudan, I say Megi or Den, one day you cannot touch it on that they belong somewhere. I am telling you. It's a good in a way will be former. Indian Airway will be forward. I meet them several times.
You meet them in Naga?
What are you talking about? Get a bake among Naga. Umera, me here. Achonke, kaka, kaja, yes. A kaka even more than your father. Then you start where your father stopped. A piazza and pakara. Ginger and your family.
Father Ndubeze, what was the response from the bishop of your diocese?
My lord, he gave no reasons as to why he did not endorse it.
You see, Father Ndubeze, you are a very promising young priest, and you are going to do great evangelical work. You see, why don't you exercise your strength in lesser areas and forget about this project? It's going to be too big for you. Forget about it entirely. It will be too big for you.
My lord, you mean I should forget this?
That is why the bishop from your diocese refused to endorse it. You understand?
Securitas.
je ka ọ bụrụ. Asụkwa m eri ma ngwugwu mara onye kerie. Mkpọmkpọ na eze agwọ. Mụ nwa afọ ino na-anya ekpugharụ. Odogwu abịa m. Ome. Eko. Kedu ka anyị emezidi ijele? Ọkụ mere. Kedu ka anyị emezidi? Ha! Orukwe. O jekwe kọrọ bụrụ. Eko. Abụ na-eri ọkpụrụ adị bụ agba onye ọrịa. Inu egbu nwa ebunu, ọdụ atụrụ iwe n'obi. Na onye na-agwụ ya, ọ pụọ. Ogene. Ọka ome.
Victime pastrali lades, imolent Christiani, agnus redemitor est, Christus innocens patri, reconciliavi peccatores, mors et vita duello, conflixere mirando, dux vitae modus regnat vivus, digno is Maria, qui fidis in via, sepulchrum Christi viventis, et gloriam vidi resurgentis, angelicos deseos, sunt animum et festus, surrexti Christus recedat, recedet suos in Galilea, Cinus Christus surrextis a mortuis vere, nobis
What's going on here?
This is why I sent for you immediately. We received a letter from the Commissioner of Education to vacate the premises.
On what grounds?
Father, they say that the requirement to run the school has not been fully met.
Dismiss the students. This is a spiritual battle. But definitely, yes. Father Maduka. You see, I don't know what to do anymore. Some unhappy fellows are after me.
All these challenges you are having now is just preparing you for the greater works ahead. The only advice I will give you now is for you to go into communion with God. Go into prayers with God. He has a way out. Be prayerful. Don't give up.
It's okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ah, Ugodia. What a surprise.
My,
How is your family?
we are fine. Nah, you've not been visiting as usual these days. I hope all is well.
All is well, my dear. Actually, I traveled to Onitsha to visit my son.
Hey! Oh, how is he?
He's doing very well.
Thank God. How is the Chuku?
That reminds me before I forget. How is your son, Ndubeze? Have you heard from him lately?
Not really, but I know he's fine.
I have been having bad dreams about him. And I don't really think that all is well with him. You have to find a way and at least communicate.
Where is your brother now? Eh?
I know he will soon be out.
Mama? Biko ne wakwa niwa na ndobelo na magi ya ne ebulisi Erika.
It's okay, my son.
You're welcome. But you didn't tell me about your visit. Supposing I wasn't around.
Thank God you're here.
Easy. Are you okay?
I don't understand.
My doctor said I have been having bad dreams about you. And you know, anytime he has a dream, he tends to come to reality. So what is going on?
To be sincere with you, Mama, all is not well.
Welcome for that. Thank you very much.
We have gone through the proposal and it's worthy of endorsement. But there are other things we must do.
Yeah, making the endorsement pass through the bishop is a small thing. All we demand is that you give us something in return for this great favor we are about to offer you.
What could that be?
Well, we have learned that God has blessed you so much with so many buildings. Why not give us one of your buildings in exchange of this great favor?
Just one of the buildings, in appreciation for the offer we are about to give, is worth it.
Well, I can offer you something in respect to that. Yes, towards your help for bringing this order to reality. I can offer you something, but I'm sorry. I don't give bribe.
This charm is a joint force to conquer your enemies. Also remember, if the enemies are stronger than the charm, the repercussion will be on both of you. Take it.
Nai, talk to me. What is this? Talk to me. Nai. Nai. Nai, gwa no more for me. Go no more. Get in home. Talk to me now.
Bjorn, why is this from Olden?
Father, the commissioner has given his consent and updated unnecessary documents needed to approve the school.
What?
So we can't manipulate it anymore.
You mean you can't manipulate it anymore? Obiora, thank you very much for the information. You can go. I think I know what to do. Now.
Thank you, Father.
The story I told you remains the tip of the iceberg, but it has been so wonderful story of success with foundation in poverty. That teaches us, for example, no matter how poor you are, no matter what problems you may have, the Lord has a plan for you. And you need only to align yourself, attune yourself to the will of God, and you will reach where we are. And may even go beyond where I am today. Let everybody therefore be courageous to take the bull by their horns and make sure you don't simply do as the French say instead of compel a flag. That means I am finished, you are not finished. God is there, God is able, our God is able, and He can lead you further than you can ever imagine. If I have succeeded, it's also for you a challenge for you to succeed. By this, let all of us learn to see the light at the end of the tunnel of life, such that nobody ever will die in despondency, loss of hope. Nobody will ever collapse and lose hope so much that he runs into what we call depression. God is able and is able. Success story, success story, success story. It has been a very long, circuitous, tumultuous, torturous journey, but here